Hello there guys, welcome to Dinos Vault. Finally today I review the all new Mahindra Thar. Special thanks to my very good friend and well-wisher Mr. Karthik, who has been courteous enough to lend his all new Mahindra Thar, the 6-speed M-Hawk 130 diesel automatic variant. So special thanks to Merrick Adventures for allowing me to run it through this flat dirt track and giving you a glimpse of what the new Thar is truly made up of. And also special shout out to Pista Motor Raceway that's coming up soon here in Hyderabad. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and find out in signature Dino style as to what the new Mahindra Thar is truly about. Hello there guys, so finally I get to drive the Mahindra Thar after all that's happened yesterday, but I'll talk about that later. But now finally let's see what the new Thar is made up of. This is the M-Hawk 130, so it's the diesel that puts out 130 PS of max power and 300 Newton meters of max torque, and it comes powered by a 2.2-liter engine or something. It's a 6-speed automatic torque converter. And then you also have the M Stallion 150, which comes powered by a 2-liter petrol engine that puts out 150 PS of max power and around 300 Newton meters of max torque in the 6-speed manual variant, and 320 Newton meters of max torque in the 6-speed torque converter automatic variant. So now I am really eager to get into this, and this is a flat dirt track here in Hyderabad, the hottest destination for all the auto junkies and the thoroughbred off-road enthusiasts here in Hyderabad. It looks pretty gorgeous, built very well. We have the Thar animation, which looks very sophisticated and has that huge hype surrounding it. And the sound, this is the M-Hawk 130 diesel engine, and we have the 6-speed torque converter automatic. First let's slot it into reverse and try and turn around. We have the parking sensors, and this is a flat dirt track here in Hyderabad. Events here are organized by Merrick Adventures, and this is Pista Motor Raceway, belongs to a very good well-wisher and friend of mine. And this car, again special thanks to Karthik sir for being kind enough for lending me this. So here we go. Whoa, wow, this is awesome. And, wow, love the suspension on this. You get 16-inch rims as well as 18-inch rims as option. We'll check what this one gets, but it feels so rugged and so well poised. The suspension, I'm truly impressed. The ride quality is next level. And here we have a sharp corner. Let's see how it tackles this terrain. It's really tricky, this track. Not much of you know, track width to play around. Gotta be really watchful as to where you're going. And the automatic gearbox is very seamless, really smooth transitions. There's no jerks or kind of no wow, well, that was a wheel spin right there. Whoa, it's absolutely phenomenal experience. Thank you, Karthik sir. What a car. I mean, wow, monster, absolute monster when it comes to tackling off-road terrains, loose sand, hard terrains, anything, name anything, and this thing just absolutely rocks. Wow. Whoa, what an evening, what a blessed evening. This really kicks ass, man. Wow, really awesome. This is the perfect playground for the Thar. What a car, what a Jeep. Really proud. Wow, I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Gotta be really careful. The steering feedback, the steering feel is absolutely awesome as well. Careful with the sharp turn and the throttle. Wow, what a feeling. This is life. A proper off-road enthusiast's absolute delight, this thing. And I'm loving every moment of it. This is the only sharp turn where the steering locks completely, and back to back here, maybe a hairpin, but apart from that, everything else, yeah, this one again, full lock. Careful, yeah, ample amount of approach angle and departure angle here to tackle all sorts of terrain. Thank you, Lord. Having the time of my life. Seating comfort, sit like a king. The feel is, I mean, the feeling going through your mind is like on top of the world. Oh. Kind of control this car has on offer is truly one of a kind, and no wonder Mahindra are absolutely proud of what they've come up with here. Wow, beautiful, elegant, perfect. I'm running out of adjectives. The steering feedback is so brilliant. It's absolutely phenomenal. Here's Karthik sir. Whoa, thank you sir, you just made my day come alive. What a way to celebrate Diwali. What a way. This is the true spirit of an enthusiast. Wow. And the seat is so well cushioned. You can keep doing this all day long and still not feel bored. Wow. I just hope the GoPro is capturing it properly. Maybe the sun is hitting it directly, but I'm just smiling all the way. The smile is getting wider and wider on my face. Wow, thank you. And suspension is great. The steering feedback is awesome. The wheels just are doing a fabulous job, and the suspension is so damn rugged and so perfect. Like, it's not bothering you, it's not breaking your back on it, it's not too stiff, but the kind of fun it offers is totally unparalleled to anything you might have experienced before. Wow. Wow. So I just hope you had a good time tagging along with me. Just want to take one more lap to my satisfaction. But yes, I'm truly impressed. This is where it belongs. It's the king of the dirt. It's the king. It makes the dirt roads its playground. That's how thoroughly well equipped it is. It comes with electronic stability program and all sorts of safety features, airbags, you name it, it has got it. And but more than that, it's the fun factor that defines it. That's what makes it an absolute delight. Go wide, go wide, go wide. Yes. Wow, the way it pushes and the kind of traction it tries to develop, even in such challenging conditions. There's loose sand all over. Wow. Wow. Very special experience. I've always wanted to, take such kind of hardcore SUVs on such dirt tracks. Pretty damn sure all you hardcore fanboys who love to play around in dirt will have an absolute, delight at this Pista motor raceway powered by Merrick Adventures. So thank you once again for joining. We'll try and call it quits for now. I'm just coming on to the place where we actually started, and I'm gonna stop it here, get down. What an experience. What an absolute experience. The steering is so effortless. Everything, the dash is perfect. And yes, let's lock on the AC. I didn't even care to turn on the AC because that's the kind of fun it has on offer. You have a touchscreen infotainment system, glove box, you have this badging right here, Mahindra and Mahindra Thar, and the seats are super comfortable, well padded. You also have enough room at the back, but it's just a two-door kind of a setup. So for you to get back in there, I think you have to move it forward. But let me just get down. Let's check the tire sizes. We have a USB port right here, charging socket, headphone socket, another charging port. You have the power windows function right here, cup holders, glove box, four huge AC vents, good chrome surrounds right here. Here you have the proper differential lock kind of a function maybe, but I never did need it because this one is super good. We have to check out the rims. Let me just get back out. What a day. We have this footboard right here, 255/65 R18. So yeah, those 18-inch wheels really make a world of difference, and that 4x4 really does a lot of justice. See it tires right there, and yeah, 255/65. Man, I had the best time of my life. Here it reads Thar, really a brand that speaks for itself, takes its own stand and would let its work do the talking. I love the highlights of the tail lamp right here. This looks a lot more modern. You have a massive same spare wheel, 18-inch. We have the Thar branding. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining. I'll catch you guys in the next review. This was just casual fun of a pure auto enthusiast having fun in a dirt park with the right kind of machine. I just hope you enjoyed watching it. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more action. I'll catch you guys in the next one. God bless and drive safe.